Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this. Yes, sir. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie I. See? Welcome all viewers and subscribers. You see? And if you just scroll through and book up on that one, you don't know, you don't know. Put a like on it, you see? Cause that one here for one of the legend them. I talked about that man a couple months ago, See, Aparna. See? Yeah, one of the original at steppa them. See? And I show a certain level of reverence to the elder. You see? Well, it's just sad what I affair say today, say Aparna has passed away. You see, Aparna was struggling with some other issues, I think health issues and things like that, see it, and the elder, succumb to the issues where did that bother. I mean, see, so that one is like a quick shout out to all of the elder friend and family them. Enough people might not like this, but it's not everybody cup of tea. Out of respect, because from my argument where I put out months ago, Aparna actions to I as a little youth, the one contribution there. Enhance self-esteem and self-confidence as a youth. The struggle, the ghetto struggle, see, because my family, my father a bad man, my mother a bad woman and them thing there, see, but we exist in a community where a whole heap of badness are going. I'm one of the most volatile community in Kingston at the time, see. Yet still, like I said, them money principle was not fair. Make the people them who not involved in certain things feel threatened by certain things. You see, they manage the concern of the people in regards to themselves the best way they can. You understand what I say? So, I just do a small video, as respect for Aparna, R.I.P. my elder, see, and for all of the people them where I watch, I play a little video there anyway. You don't know, it just take you back to the days, of them man, the days, and the item can just feel a vibes, see it, and probably look back and kind of associate or relate. See, it don't have nothing to do with Aparna, it don't have nothing to do with stepping and nothing like that. See, it's an old time dance. But one of them dances where Aparna that they did or go or something like that, or you see the genre, the type of thing we're going that they relate to him would enjoy. See it. So one of the items just take the scene, R.I.P. to the general, condolences to the family and things like that. And know so we try our best not to forget you. See it, and your effort them for I and I. They were I and I there to deal. So salute to a legend, son of the legendary Countess. Mad love for your Aparna, see it. And condolences to the family again. Yes, rockfort.
When systems like Cox's and Prince Busters would set up within hearing distance of each other in the early days, squads of police usually were called in to control the resultant fights and shoot-ups. The sound system men preceded the DJs of popular music by a decade. And when the R&B records gave way to local Jamaican recordings, they became a thing of great rivalry. The men who held sound system and the yard dances attracted a great number of followers. Each system had its own passe. The same people who owned the sound systems later became producers of records, and in producing these records, they used them in competing against their rivals by having exclusive use of a popular hit for a certain time. Now this style is called dub plate style. They had started with R&B records brought from small independent American producers. And the very first Jamaican records were close to the R&B that they were accustomed to. When the ska was promoted, it was the first Jamaican indigenous music that had a new original beat.
What up, man? Are you turning over for now? No problem. Watch it. Let's get away, man. Let's go. Sure.
Right about now, you've been entertained by Jack Ruby High Power, a sound system at the controls in a crucial style. Good day, Jack.
Say me no want it by the cock, me say me on. Oh, say me no want it by the cock, me say me on. Right? Say me no want it by the cock. Hey, perspiration is a running on me back. Hey, perspiration is a running on me back. Jano say me slim, me not go get fatter. The people in the dance say now them do that. They come, they catch, they keep on pose. I take fat jammy like a we a one rope. Say fi go and go down. Power bomb, me say fi go and go down. Nobody take me fi no looking glass. Hey, nobody take me fi no looking glass. And when me say, hey, me say me jukes in a me yard when I plan fi go abroad. Say Bobby come and tell me say I dance pon the corner. Take off me cap, me have to put it on back. Okay. Take off me shirt, me have to put it on back. Take off me pants, me have to put it on back. Me jump in a dance and a dirty Bobby sock because I dance pon the corner. Jamaica till you jack and root me pon the corner. Starring Faja and Bobby culture. Man scratchy ranking and the rider. Right and I say I murder me chant from. Special request for to Jack who be at the owner. Special request to put passion love on me teacher. Say every hour at the hour at the hour at the music on the hour. Every hour at the shower at the music on the hour. Say I dance for me Ghana. Bobby culture, I dance for Chicana. Gravis to this place, nobody feel no way. Man cause Scotch walks away and then Bobby culture walks in and say, nobody feel no way, you know? Hey, come in, say long time in no see them a dangerous thing. Say long time in no see them a dangerous thing. Bobby culture DJ, I chuck. Them a call for ja him select the rhythm. No hear about the new from America building. It's suffocate man in the chopper building. It's a Mr. Culture, the mic and thing. Keep your rockle and sing. Do it! Hey, come in, say rabbit in the pig, said along with pigeon. The whole of them are sleeping at the same something. Me DJ fi make a damn and me DJ fi make king. It's a Mr. Culture, keep your rockle and sing. Said a long time in no see a them a dangerous thing. A long time in no see a them a dangerous thing. Bobby Culture DJ, I just can't him a sing. The man called for ja him select the rhythm. Along with me I drink Scotchy ranking. I want to do it. Into the sky, flying jumbo plane, all hitching a ride on a Kingston train.
this boy. Lord, I'm such a fool. But it is my fault. That I follow the rule. I've already come a long way, changing place for day, I say. But tell me, whoever the children play, where do they play? Where do they play? But there's a taxes increase in the crop limit. And the work in the days, Lord, and the sleep at night. And the live in the dark, and the thinking is light. And the learn to fight to one another, saying that we stand for peace. I've already come a long way, changing days to day, I say. But tell me, whoever the children play, where do they play? Where do they play? Do you think it is fine flying a ganja plane? Or hitching a hurry you know I've been to school, Lord, I'm such a fool. But it isn't my fault that I follow the rule. I've already come a long way, changing days to day and day. But tell me, whoever the children play, where do they play? Where do they play?
Right about now, the musical spotlight shines on a star called Mickey Simpson. A Jackery production from One Music Avenue. Here comes the man Mickey Simpson. This is kind of brand new. Can only be played by the sound of the Black Experience, called Marty Jack Ruby, the sound of keep the nation and groovy.
Give it to all the ladies, it's all good to love it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Give me your love, and I will give you mine. Give me your heart, and I will tear it apart. Give me your hand, and let me lead you along, 'cause I need you. You that I love, I need you. You that I need the first time we met. Was love at first sight when I reasoned with you. I knew everything would be right. Please stay close to me, so that I can hold you tight, 'cause I need you. You that I love, I need you. You that I need, yeah. Give me your love, and I will give you mine. Give me your heart, and I will tear it apart. Give me your hand, and let me lead you along, 'cause I need you. You that I love, I need you. Yeah. You that I need the first time we met. It was love at first sight, but I reasoned with you.
Special request for our Black Star Baller. I think called the gunman, you know?
Oh,
Think called the gunman.
see the man. Do it! Hey, gunman. Hey, I gonna man now where you get the gun from. Now where you get the gun from. Hey, but it's a gunman connection. It's a one a gunman connection. Come on the M1 connected to the M2. The M2 connected to the M3. The M3 connected to the Special. The Special connected to the Bucky. The Bucky connected to the Remy. The Remy is connected to the One Pop. The One Pop connected to the Buckshot. And them ya gun them full of jammer. The Bushmaster connect to the M4. The M4 connect to the bazooka. The bad boy carry them the gun pan shoulder. Them the boy them don't look the fire. Them man pan the trigger them we clap at the trigger. That the 16 a bus pure copper. The gunman
Right back, for the line. Right. Up in the game. Winner's bound. Challenge the love of paradise. G15. Mine's father name, man. Church.
So it was said so it's
My father. Five the light. Five the light. Five the light. Those are just good. 4, 6. Right. Up into this. Yes. I want you that. No, no, no.